Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Monopoly Go account to new phone. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering here, how do you exactly transfer Monopoly Go accounts to a new phone? Well, this one's quite simple. So the first thing that you want to keep in mind is you want to secure your account here. Now, you need to connect your Monopoly Go account to at least a Facebook account or a Google Play account. Now, to do that, typically at the top right of your screen, you should see a 3-bar icon. So go ahead and just press on it, click on Settings, and you want to go and click on Manage Account. Now, in here, you want to go and click on the Play with Friends. So click on Play with Friends. So it's going to connect your Monopoly Go account with your Facebook account. You could also click on Sign In with Google, so that's going to be connected to your Google account. And once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and head over to your other phone, and you want to guarantee that in that other phone, your Facebook account is actually logged in inside the Facebook app. So again, you want to log in into the Facebook account that you're using alongside your Monopoly Go account in here. But yeah, once you've done that, you can go and open up Monopoly Go, click on Play with Friends when you first boot up Monopoly Go in here, and that should basically allow you to use your old account from your previous device. But that's about it. So, for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.